In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Upwork project catalog in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and walk you through the process step by step to ensure you set up an effective project that catches potential clients' eyes. First things first, open your internet browser and head over to the Upwork website. Simply type Upwork into your search bar and click on the correct link to access the platform. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to log into your account. Once you're in, navigate over to the Find Work section. From there, select Your Services or head straight to your project dashboard. Either option is perfectly fine for starting this process. Now, look for the Create Project button. Clicking this will start the setup for your new project listing. At this point, you'll need to create a clear and concise project title. Your title should accurately reflect the service you are offering. Be sure to also choose the most fitting category from the available options, as this will help potential clients find your project more easily. Next, you'll want to set any relevant project attributes. This might include details such as your gender, accent, or the desired tone of the project. Including these specifics can be crucial for clients who are looking for certain qualities. Don't forget to add search tags. These keywords are integral, as they optimize your listing for visibility, helping clients who are searching for services like yours to find you. Then, consider offering tiered options. This means providing several levels of service with varying features and prices, such as basic, standard, and premium packages. Clearly define the delivery time for your project as well, specifying the number of days it will take for you to deliver the completed work after the client has made a purchase. Adding optional add-ons can also be beneficial for your clients. Things like expedited delivery, for an additional fee, can attract clients who need their projects completed faster. Alongside service details, showcasing your work samples is vital. Upload visual examples, such as images or videos, to spotlight your skills and experience. Ensure your cover image is professional and clearly conveys the service you're providing. It's equally important to define client requirements. Be upfront about what information or materials you require from the client before you can kick off the project. Writing a project description that focuses on value will help too. Clearly explain the benefits and outcomes the client can expect from your service. Once you have filled in all the relevant details, take a moment to review your listing. Preview it to ensure everything looks polished and aligns with Upwork's terms. Finally, hit Submit to send your project for Upwork's review. This step is necessary before your project becomes publicly available to potential clients. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating a compelling Upwork project catalog that speaks to your skills and services, making you a standout choice for clients on the platform. Happy freelancing!